Meet the next generation of Galaxy, the Samsung Galaxy S20, S20 Plus, and S20 Ultra 5G, with a revolutionary camera. Ready for 5G. The breakthrough camera transforms how you capture your world with single-take AI and space zoom. Capture crisp photos and cinematic video at night with Bright Night and pull high-quality stills from 8K video. You'll get next-level power for experiences you already love with AT&T 5G. Keep the day going with a large battery, super fast charging, wireless power share, and generous storage options. Plus, the expansive dynamic AMOLED Infinity O display has a 20:9 ratio for an immersive cinematic viewing experience. Expand your world with Samsung's fully decked, pro-grade light camera system. Capture your world with single-take AI. In one tap of the shutter button, you can capture multiple images and video all at once with a variety of lenses, effects, and filters. Take crisp, detailed shots with the powerfully high-resolution camera. And use space zoom to zoom in close from afar, or magnify details of something nearby to capture images with impressive power and clarity. And experience night in a whole new light. With Bright Night, you can capture vibrant video and crisp photos at night without a flash. Capture insanely high-resolution video in 8K and grab your favorite high-definition still with Video Snap. Plus, you can add a touch of creativity to photos before you share. Seamlessly zoom and crop, adjust brightness and tones, or blur to create art you love. Then save it as a filter to use again. And cut your video into a 30-second highlights video. Add music and a title using the video editor feature. And share as it happens. With a double tap, you can share from phone to phone or phone to TV using Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. The Samsung Galaxy S20, S20 Plus, and S20 Ultra 5G. Transform how you capture your world with single-take AI, 8K video, all-new Bright Night, and space zoom.